Yo, what just flew past me? We need to get an action replay on that. Yes. Aye. What are you... Oh. Bro just fell out of the sky? Werebear? Our hero claims a warrior's heart. I tell you, that dragonborn comes with the voice-wielding power of the ancient Lord. Beware, the dragonborn comes. It's an end to the evil of all Skyrim's foes. Beware, the dragonborn comes. For the darkness has passed and the legend yet grows. You know, the dragonborn comes. I'm trying to get up there. No, Peddler died again. Shush. Why did you kill Peddler? So rude. She was defenseless. It's okay, Peddler, I got you. I got the mega healing hands. Look at this, look at this, look at this, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Boom. What you got for sale? Where are the kids at? Stay in school, kids, then I know where to find you. Okay, that sounds very inappropriate. I am sorry. I am sorry. I promise I'm not a predator. I promise. Okay, I'm gonna just stop now. Oh. Okay, but where are they? It's the cat. Hey yo, boys, girls, guys. What do you think of my cute little PNG tuber? I met her myself. Well, if you guys been here, you guys know that she has existed before, but I touched her up a little. She also has a tail. Wait, I want to show you guys. I want to show you guys. Look at the tail! And the boots are pretty too. So, hells yeah, my boys. We are gonna start streaming, and oh my gosh. So there's a programmer at my new job. And I asked him the stupid question. Okay? I was like, hey, can you create a 2D Facebook game from ye olden days and just make it single player? And he said that, yeah, you probably could, but he doesn't take on those type of projects. He only does apps. So I was like, how hard can it be? So, we're gonna attempt to do programming! Hey, yos! How you doing? Wait, as a tab, I know your name changed, but I forgot. But, hells yeah. So, we are gonna attempt, and please know this is an attempt, this is not a tutorial. Temp! There it is. But hells yeah. So we're gonna attempt to do some programming. I have ChatGPT on my side. That's the only thing giving me comfort. Okay? And the fact that you guys can't see how absolutely freaked out I am. But hells yeah. Okay, so let me tell you guys what I have done so far, which is basically nothing. So it gave me, ChatGPT gave me this little roadmap, okay? And anyway, basically to say what you should actually do. Oh, he didn't save it. Okay, looks like this one's saved though. Okay, so he gave me this little roadmap and said that there's like 6 steps. Okay, which the sex one I'm not gonna care about. What's today's special programming? Yes. So ChatGPT gave me these 6 steps. Okay, it's define your core concept. Okay, which basically outlined what the game is about, and then list key mechanics, pick your engine. Now I'm gonna go with Godot, if I'm pronouncing that right, or Godot. I think it's Godot. But yeah, and then step number 4 is create simple prototype. Very scary stuff. And then plan art and assets. That's gonna be a whole art stream. So hells yeah, because I am gonna be streaming this process because it sounds kind of fun. So yes, and then test, refine, and repeat. And then yes, to publish it. But I don't know how I feel about publishing it because it is a passion project. So yeah, let me fill you in on the core concept, okay? So the game genre is gonna be a fantasy action RPG because it's about a vampire empire. Vampire empire. I like that. I like that. But in anyway, so you are this little vampire and you have little thralls and minions and you're trying to take over the city and eradicate the other vampire clan. Um, then we have some core gameplay loops of the basic enemy attacks, or you go to attack the enemies, how you find and make thralls, the store, how to upgrade your stuff, and then also how to do actual missions. I gave a basic outline, so hells yeah. Let me actually share this. I'm stupid. Wait, let me actually share this. Display capture. Can I do this? Yeah, there we go. There we go. So yeah, that is the basic outline we have so far. So the goal is to build an army of thralls and minions and defeat rival clans. And the art style is gonna be anime or cartoon. I don't know yet, depending on what I can do. And then it's gonna be dark but kind of funny, because I want to keep it as close to the original as possible. Now, way back in the day, and I mean like 2010 to 2012, there was this Facebook game called Bite Me. You will also see, if I like show around this stuff, it's also what it's titled as. Okay? So, it's called Bite Me, and I want to remake it because I miss it. Laser welcomes in. How are you doing? Are you ready for this absolute train wreck that's about to happen? So, hells yeah. So, I'm gonna be attempting this because why not? Right? Why not? Okay? What's the worst that can happen, you know? Okay, so we're gonna go on to step 2, which is the key mechanics. Step 2 is write a short design document. Because this is me gonna be trying, you know? So there is coding, like actual coding, but ChatGPT is gonna baby me for everything. Okay? So I'm doing everything off ChatGPT. And with, of course, my own initiative, and I want the story to be like this, and these elements and stuff like that. But, yes, I have serious training wheels on right now. So, yeah, so step 2 is design a summary of what I want. So, a summary of step 1, which I did this, and then a short story premise, why I want to fight the rival clan, because I want to dominate the world, you know? And the main features, which will be the combat and the thralls and those kind of stuff. So I basically think these go hand in hand, and the sketches and notes I don't really need because I'm going straight off of something that exists already, or existed already. So we're gonna see how that goes. But now the next step is to choose the engine, and yeah, Yeah, to choose the engine, and then the actual coding starts. Now, I am gonna be using uh, this thing called Godot, and we're gonna see how this works. So I'm just gonna... Do I open both? It's taking a while. I'm scared. And I do have music banging in the background, so hells yeah. Oh, run anyway, let's go. Let's fucking go! What's the worst that can happen, right? Ah, shit. Ah, shit, we're actually gonna do this. Oh my gosh. Okay, do we run this one as well? Run this one as well. Because I don't I don't know what we should use. Okay, this is console. Okay. Okay. Do I close one of these? Okay. Okay. Here we go. We're gonna create a new project. We're gonna temporarily call it Bite Me 2.0 because that was the original's name. I do want to change it to another name, but I don't know what yet. So we're gonna do that. Forward plus. Advanced video graphics no. Compatibility. Least advanced. Do I just take the default one? Also, I need to change this to what is this thing? F. Mega F. Okay, and then open here, and then new folder, and we're gonna call it Bite Me 2.0. Or do I actually give it a name? Do I actually give it a name? What do I call it? Suck me. No. What about Vampire Wars? No, that's stupid. I like Bite Me though. I want to call it something vampire, so that when people search Vampire Masquerade, then I could maybe come up. Vampire Mark. Ah! Vampire Mark. I'm gonna call it this. Okay. Do we just call it Vampire Mark? Vampire Mark. Okay. I have no idea what I'm doing. Support desktop platforms only. Can scale large complex scenes. Not necessary. Use rendering devices. No. Do I do compatibility? Mobile and web platforms. It's 2D, so that's fine. That's fine. Okay, that's fine. Okay, let's do this one. I have no idea what I'm doing, guys. Did I do a thing? This is not what I want! I want 2D, please! Thank you so much! Okay. Now, what the hell do I do? Okay. Okay, what do I actually do now? Okay. Let's ask ChatGPT. I opened Godot, and I opened Godot, created the new project, and chose 2D scene. What now? What do I do now? Let's see what ChatGPT says. Should I bring ChatGPT into the window? Perfect. Okay, I'm gonna turn the music a bit softer. It's a bit out there. Okay. Should I bring ChatGPT into the first screen? Oh my gosh. That's simple combat. Oh my gosh. Oh my god! Okay, so step one, rename your scene. Okay, and the top left, okay, I see it. I can save scene as. Okay, let's call it, fight. Yeah, let's just call it fight. Let's do it fight 001, just in case. So let's do it fight 001. Okay, and then add a placeholder. Okay, if I go to plus, I can choose 2D node and rename it to player. Okay, where is the plus? This? Ooh, that is not it. Is it? 2D node? Is there half? No? Wait, what do I call it? Choose to node 2D. This is this one, right? Am I choosing the right one? Animated sprite. Sprite nodes contains mixture text of frames to play animation. Huh! Okay. Okay. So, a thing is called a sprite. An NPC or a player is called a sprite, okay? Audio listener, audio stream, back buffer copy. Don't know what that is. Bone 2D. Another node. Okay. Can I choose this one? Do I choose this one? Is this the one? I don't know! Oh my gosh! Parallax path, no, no, no. Shapecast, no. Skeleton 2D. Sprite 2D. This one is not animated though. Or a frame from a sprite sheet animation. Okay. Where is he? Is this the one? Can I please scale this up? Okay. How do I... Oh! Add node here. Oh! Okay. No idea if I'm doing this right. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be so bad. Okay. Sprite 2D. Create. Wait, what is this thing done? Delete this thing. Yeah. Oh. Guys, what am I doing? Investigate scene here. Add node here. The sprite. Yes. Put the sprite there. How do I see the sprite? I'm not seeing the sprite. Sprite, where are you? Where's the sprite? Can I? Where's the... What? Sprite 2G Quick load. Choose an image. Oh, I need to choose an image. Oh, how do I choose an image? Okay, let's try again. Okay. 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 Done. Add node here. Sprite. How do I... Sprite? Okay, how do I add an image to this thing? Output? No. Audio animation? File properties. Oh, this is the thing. Oh, actually, what is this? Create a new source of memory edit. How do I choose what you look like? Texture? Empty? Okay, never mind. Offset animation, transform visibility. What do you look like? What do you look like? Camera texture. What is this? Quick load. Oh. Search file. Can I import? Can I... Oh! And then I can change it. Okay, we're of course gonna temporarily make this toxic stuff. How do I resource? Okay, it's locked. Oh my gosh. Okay. So this is player. Can I call it something? This is player. Okay, choose any shape, even a shape for a placeholder. Can I? No. If you built-in square paint import, add a collection of 2D shapes. Rectangular shapes, okay. We're gonna need to make this map picture though. Load path. Can we change it? Quick load. Where is this select 2D feature? Add-ons? No? This is very interesting. Can I... Oh, path resources. Path? No. Rats. What happens when I copy this? And... search it in here. Never mind. How do I change out this thing? Visibility, ordering, texture, material. Add metadata. What is metadata? Oh, this is interesting. Collapse, blah, 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 blah. Capitalized. Interesting. Path. Can I... Wait, I want to try something. Do we use emotes? Do we use my emotes? Let me quickly go to my emotes. Just ignore all the other stuff you guys see. Media... Emotes... Okay. this gonna work? No. It's not gonna work. How do I, why is it giving me so many steps? Okay, how do I import an image to use as a 2D placeholder? 2D. Do I call it sprite 2D? Let's see. What does it say? Excellent question. Step by step. Standard PNG. Okay. Open your Google window. Bottom. Have my projects through to drag and drop manual system panel show file manager. Hey yo, what is this? Open your res folder. It's your project root. So if it's my project's root, then it's gonna be like me over here somewhere. Editor? Importer? Shader? Do I go here and icon? Wait, isn't this the thing? It's the thing. It's the thing. Okay. So let me add a what do you call it? Media. Actor. Player. Okay. Okay, I'm getting the hang of this. And then we're gonna make... I want something that looks over that way. So let's do 2.0 ones. Let's do this one. Let's copy this little boy. Copy. This is going to be our player. Paste. It's going to be our player. Okay, let's see if it works now. Open a file. Open your Goobot window. Open the Goobot window and find file system doc. Files. Oh! Oh, wait, I found it. Okay, never mind. Should go back. Okay, let's get rid of all of this. Apparently it has its own naming. And then I just drag and drop this in here. Do I just literally drag and drop it in there? Okay. And oh! Okay, that was way too big. Oh my gosh, this is hilarious. Okay, so that's my person. Can I flip this? Okay, let's not flip it. Let's not flip it. Okay. Okay, there's my person. Okay. Okay, we're gonna get this. Okay? I'm getting somewhere. I have the first thing in here. Okay, and then we're also gonna need an enemy. Yes. What am I doing? What am I doing? Okay, add a player placeholder. Can I name this thing player? Can I name this thing? Name player. I'll put debugger audio. Oh, and oh. Okay, let's not mess with those yet. How do I name this thing? Okay, let's not do that. Why can I not save it? Saves are currently edited. Resources. Can I save new? How do I rename this thing? Okay, anyway. Okay, so this is the player. Add collision. Okay, so that it can collide later. Okay, right click on the sprite. Choose an image for a placeholder. If you don't have one, built-in square, blah, 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 blah. Okay. Collision. Add a simple rectangular shape. So the player can collide later. So okay, so do I just add a node here and then no, it's not giving me everything. Add a node here. Oh, it's having a search on. Oh! I can have a search? Collision, polygon, collision shape? Which collision do I choose? Rectangle shape? Tile map. Tile map layer. So do I just do this one? What is the problem? Shape a collision journal. What does this mean? Okay, collision shape. Shape, empty, shape. We can use the block, which is not there anymore. World boundary shape. Rectangle shape. Oh, that wasn't right. Okay, I'm getting it. And then we just make it like yay, and we make it skinnier, and we say this is floor now. This is floor. Okay. Floor. We have floor. We have our player and we have our floor. This is actually not that bad. Okay. Add the script to the player node. Okay, here comes the interesting stuff. Paste the simple code. Press play scene. So it has to be somewhere here, right? Debugger. Blah, 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 blah. Audio animation, no. Okay. There is the word script. Add metadata. Typo. But I can't be without. Add metadata. Player. What? Did I actually name it now? Okay, but how do I okay. Script. New script. Oh, I found it. What is the script actually? Just movement. But I don't want it to move. I don't want it to move yet. Okay. We're gonna skip the script for now. Now we know how to add it. So we're quickly gonna add some more nudes. We're gonna add... I don't know if I'm being too ambitious here, guys. Okay, the sprite 2D create. Okay. We're gonna... Oh, interesting. Okay, we're gonna do the texture and we're gonna do the devil. Okay. Okay, so this is our enemy. Okay? Okay, we're getting there. Add a simple combat. No. I don't want to do that. Add... Okay. Okay. Oh my gosh, this is difficult. Add a counter. Okay, I do want this counter. We're gonna need different counters for this as well. Okay, label a node child of main. Add a label node. Okay. Label line. Okay, can I get a label? Touch screen button. I'm gonna need this. Okay. Okay. Remote transform task following path blah 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 blah. Navigation region. Multi-interface. No marker. Line light. GPU particles. The fuck? Camera. CPU particles. Bone. Backup buffer. Visible on-screen notifier. Okay, what is under the control? Text edit. Label! I found a label! Okay. Pwa. Okay, and then we're gonna do... We're gonna copy this. Go to your enemy. Update default. Oh my gosh! What am I doing? Okay, where is the script? Okay, new script. Label path. Create. Okay. Extend node or call. Do I just... Will that work? Will this work? And is that it? Do I save this? I'm gonna save it. Okay. Cool. How do I... Oh! Oh! Oh, I can pop this out! Okay. Is that it? Ah, cancel. Okay. And then go to the enemy script again and update the death line. Wait, how do you spell enemy? Wait, what? It's with E. Enemy. Let's do 001. Oh, I'm fucked. What is this? Was I supposed to give the enemy some stuff? Oh! I was supposed to give it this. Okay. This will let the player kill when you add attacks. Take damage amount. Okay. Okay, and then so then this part I put this in. No, not if. Go back. Oh no, girlfriend. Okay. Help us get turn ad blue. Is that it? Okay. Next up, ideas. Okay. Oh, that is not what I wanted to do. What is it I wanted to do, actually? This one. Okay. So, can we put this inside here without it going all over the place? Okay. So we have our player. We have this thing. We have our counter, which is not there. Okay. I want... How do I add a button? I need to click to play an animation and deal damage to the enemy. Okay, add a button. I saw where to add a button. Add child node button. Okay, add node. It was a control. And it was, it was a what? Child node button. Button. Tab bar, no. I need a... Oh, look at those. Okay, focusing. I need to be able to press a button. Abstract base class for GA. A themed button that can contain text and an icon. Is that a click button? Add click, add child node button. Do I just search button? Press button, link button. Texture button. Touchscreen button? The button for touchscreen devices. Okay, no, I'm looking for this one. Click button! A button that represents a binary choice. Color picker, menu, option. If toggled, the button displays a check field similar to a checkbox. No, this is not what I want. Option button. Which type of button do I use? Do I just add any button? Do I just add a button? Let's just add a fucking button. Okay. This is attack button. Okay. Let's see. Now, inspector. Change the text. Inspector. Inspector gadget. Text. Oh, wait, I can do it here. Attack. That is very fucking small. That is very fucking small. Okay. Can I size this up? Look at how tiny that is. Oh my gosh. Can I? Okay, whatever. Okay. It's the attack button, okay? It works. Okay, and then we're not gonna do the animation right now. Connect button signals. Button signals. pressed. Button mask. Key pressed O. Okay. Enter the script. Double click the signals. What is this? Okay. Button. Oh. I was hovering over the button masks. If true, means the button was pressed down or toggled. Blah, 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 blah. Use set pressed signal. Set pressed no signal. What? I don't. Group? Edit? Go back. How do I press a button? This is what most of the game is about. Okay. Select your attack button in the scene panel. Scene panel. Selected. In the top right, the inspector. Inspector, okay. Click the lightning bolt. Node tab. Oh, node. Oh, I see. Okay, I got it. Okay. Then double click the signal. Signal. But I'm pressed. Oh, I got it. Okay. Connect. Function take damage. Wait, that's the wrong one. No. Shit, go back. Undo. Oh, shit, no. Get a thing. No, that is not what I wanted. I wanted this one. Close. Why do I always have to do that? Okay. I have to rename these things. Frame. Change frame. Go away. Canvas item. Draw hidden. Ugh. Spectre. Node. Can I change change the name here? How do I rename this thing? Offset animation transform. Visibility, blah, 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 blah. Signals group. Scene groups. History. Could I rename you? Can I rename you here? Can I rename you here? Player? Did I do it? Yes, I did it. Rename enemy. Label. Why can't I rename this one? Okay. Button. Attack. Okay, whatever. I can't rename that one either. Can I move them to just this? Yes, I can. Buttons on the player. Collision shape. Okay. Where's the button now? Where did the button go? Show me the button. Oh, I did it! I bought the button back! Yes! Okay. Okay, we are doing a thing. Okay? We're doing a thing. Okay. So, with the button now, we're at the signals. And on press, edit. Need to be on the player. Receive method. Okay. No tab. Double click on the signal press. Connect it to the player. If your link is there. Script automatically create a new function. Pass. Okay. Wait, what? Target method not found. Specify a valid method or attach a script to the target node. Okay, wait, I think it's because I don't have any script. Okay, so we're gonna steal his script. We're gonna steal this. We're gonna go over here. We're gonna new script. We're gonna have 20. If okay. Okay. And then we can do the button, right? Edit. On the player. Connect. There we go. Okay. On button press. Pass. Replace with body function. Replace with body function. Function on attack. Okay. Dodge all enemies near player. Okay. So function on attack button pressed. On button pressed. Then here. On button pressed. Get nodes and group. Distance to enemy. Unpressed. What is wrong with this? Function on button pressed. On button press. Do I have to put this in? Short hours a lot. Okay. Player animation is named attack. Is within 50 pixels. Okay, we don't care about the distance. Or do we just... Let's erase this whole thing again. And we paste this whole thing in here. Okay. Animation, player attack. How do I add an animation? For enemy in get tree, get nodes and group. Okay, what about this one? You can use, wait, a small timer. Okay. Thinking a bit longer than usual. Animation player. Node object. Guys, what the fuck is this? What is this? Let's hide this. Okay, so I asked it to explain the await piece because this doesn't want to work. Attached to your player node script. Attack range is... wait a second. Wait a second. Okay. So if I add this... Okay. It's not giving any errors. And then... And then... If not, can attack, return, can attack, false. Okay. Do I need to move this up? Okay. Okay. Function take damage amount minus health. Okay, I can remove this for now. Okay, so we have an attack. Okay. How do I go back to the view? I want to see the other view again. Go to file. View. What is this? On button press for signal press node. Player button the node. What? Missing connected method. Button. Do an attack. What is? Oh. Oh. Okay, okay, I'm getting it. I'm getting it. Missing connected method. On button pressed. For signal pressed method. Connection. Wait. Does that mean I need to... Where's the nodes? Where's the nodes? Wait, is this how I... Oh, that's how I do it. Okay. How do I move this? Okay, there we go. Okay. Press play to start game. How do I press play? I don't have a way to start yet! Okay. Okay, so we got that. Alternative, use that. Okay. Button pressed. Okay. Okay. Okay, I think we're getting somewhere. I don't know for sure, but I think we're getting somewhere. Okay. We also need a script for the enemy to attack. Do we just copy this one? I want to give him 10 health. Okay, if health is 0. Attack range, attack cooldown, health is 20. Function. Okay. How do I write the enemy attacking me? How do I script the enemy attacking me at random intervals? Okay. We're getting there. Basic idea, 1 to 3 seconds, that is perfect. Still alive and in range. Fire, attack, animation, wait for it. Movement. Do that to fire. Go back 1 step. No, it doesn't have to go back 1 step. Okay. Okay. Enemy script. Damage is 10? Holy damn, no. Okay, we're gonna make its damage 2. Okay, and its health is that. Okay. Bar player node null. Bar is alive, true. Okay, and then I think find player when scene starts, player gets blah 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 blah. Start attack loop. Where it runs and blah blah blah. Warning, unreachable code. I can remove the unreachable code. Do I put this now before or after? Attack loop. What is attack loop? Attack loop. Function attack loop. Do I need to add this after this? Function attack loop void. What is attack loop? Attack loop and attack loop void. Okay, what is the attack loop and attack loop void? Do I need to... Attack loop. Start attack loop function. And this... we need to put in here. Okay, that works. That works. Okay, so player is good. Enemy, the attack loop, and this. Okay, excellent. Let's see. Attack loop function. Now it's giving me other stuff. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Code from ready. Okay. So our player null true. This is the attack loop that runs while is alive. Max delay. Wait, I'm supposed to 1 and 3. The fuck? The fuck did it just write me? Minimum attack delay and maximum attack delay. Okay. Why is it not writing the minimum attack delay and maximum attack delay? Wait, maybe it's just at the wrong place. Wait. It's already in there. Ha! It works! Okay. Okay, so I have the basic script now of the attack. Okay. Okay. And I found that. So how do I test this now? Wait, how do I add health bars? How do I add health bars? Oh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, guys, what am I even doing? What am I even doing? I'm loving this though. Okay. Okay. So let's see. It says new scene. Okay. I think a new node. And then we do for bar. Process bar. Okay, perfect. And we're gonna stretch that out a bit. What the fuck am I doing? Okay. Show percentage. No. Minimum value is 0. Maximum value is 20 because that's my player's health. Steps of 1. Okay. Fill mode. Fill mode? Left to right. Beginning to end. Okay, yes. Not sure about that. Okay. So height of it. Optional color under the theme style fill. Ooh, theme style and fill? Where? Where? Show me! Show me! Texture material. Okay, whatever. We can figure that out later. Okay, so that's added now. Oh, I need to rename it. Health bar. Health bar. Player. I'm gonna name it health bar player. Okay. So that's my health bar. Okay. Now, how do I script this thing? Okay. Open the enemy scene. Select health bar. Canvas layer. Should be fine, right? I don't have to import it in, right? Okay, and then connect your script on the script enemy update bar. Okay, I'm going to do it on myself. New script. Create. No. Wait. Close this one. At the player. At the player. Okay, it's up here. Okay, I do this from here. I highlighted too much. From here, please. Okay. And then on the take, after the take damage, we add take damage. INT. What is INT? Let's not look into that. Amounts INC. Two players same side. Wait. Yes. Okay. Okay. And then we do that at the enemy side as well. Okay. Player does how much damage? That should be determined by the bundle. Okay. First. Maximum? No, this should be 20. 20. And then copy this part to the enemy. We change this to 10. 10. Okay, and then take this one. Put it here. Okay. Take this away. Okay. We take Take damage. Take damage. Health. Also. So what's this? It's this part. This part. Let's just do a U1. Okay. I need to add another health bar though. No percentage. Max value is 10 steps of 1. Okay, and then script. New script. Enemy. Wait, let's cancel this. We call this health bar enemy. Rename health bar enemy. Okay. I go to the scripts. Enemy. Okay, if he dies. Current health. Is it going to the right health bar? Okay, let's test this. How do I test what I have done so far? Okay. Go to project settings, application run. Project settings, application run. Okay, and then find main screen. Okay, main scene, sorry. And then, geez, close. Okay, I'm done. Please close. 1 second, guys. I'll be right back. Excellent. Excellent. Sorry about that, guys. You press close. Now hit the play button. The play button. Check the input setup. Project. Oh, it's still at project settings. Project settings. Input map. Input pointers. Okay, that's not it. Config. Oh, input map. Okay, okay. Input map. What actions? No, but I don't use WASD. Process, physics process. Make sure the script are attached correctly. Process. Do I add? Add? Do I add? Input map. Wait, maybe I should add the WASD thing. Script. Up. Where's the WASD part? Maybe I can like do it to like dodge and stuff, you know? You know? It's under those, so it's here. Okay. Project settings, input map, add. How do I help? Showing built-in actions. Okay. Okay, cool. And then press play to start. There is no play. The input app, add these actions. Input map. Add new action. Add. Okay, is that it? Now your process or physics process code. Press play to start the game. But it is already played. Wait, the play up there? Oh my gosh, imagine if it actually works. But I don't think it's gonna. Doesn't look like it's gonna. Is it gonna work? Yeah, I don't know if it's gonna work. But, nevertheless, I think I did good, guys. I think I did good. We're gonna save everything. But hells yeah, we are gonna be calling it there then. I think that was pretty successful, and I didn't get too many errors. It kind of worked. So, hells yeah, my boys. But let's see what the next time holds. And hells yeah, thank you guys for joining me. I hope you guys have a wonderful day.